Here we are. There are occasions where we'd like to uh, copy charts, tables that we've created in Excel into our main report or document. And sometimes this doesn't always work the way we intended it to. For example, here I've got a simple pivot table, pivot chart, and I could go and copy the chart here, and maybe I've got a blank Word document here, and I'm just going to go and paste it in here. And so I can just go and do a quick paste, and there it is. It's in my document. I think, great. And so I go back to Excel again and say, look, let me change this. Let me swap out one variable and put in a different one here. And I get another chart. I'm like, okay, now I'd like to copy this one in. So I go and I copy it. And I go back to my Word document and I go to paste it in there. Great, it's in there again. And I go back again to my Excel document and I want to change something else. I'm going to pick another one. And here I'm going to go and again, I'll copy it. I'll go back to my Word doc. Whoa, what happened here? This time when I went back, what happened? I had gender in here before. What happened to the document that I had previously that I that it's already changed on me. What what transpired here? That what happens is there are a variety of different pastes within Excel or within Word and Excel. And when you go to do it, so let me go back again, and I wanted gender I had before, chart, okay? And so I go and copy this, and I go back to my document. Whoop, okay, gender's back again here. And it's changed this one too. What's going on? Well, it's the type of paste you do that, and it's not always consistent. If you go back and you do paste, you get different paste options. It can use destination theme and embed the workbook. Another one is keep source formatting and embed the workbook. This one would be use destination theme and link the data. Keep source formatting and link the data. These different types of linkages do such that when you change the original, it may or may not change this one. And so the safest way is generally to just paste it as a picture. Now, so this one's a picture. Okay? It's just a picture. I can't do anything to it. This one here isn't. I could go in here and go and start changing things. I could go up here. Notice I got chart tools. Let me down here. Down this one, it was a picture. And if I can format it, I've got picture tools. This one here, when I click on design, I get chart design tools. So I can add chart elements. I can change the layout. I can even change the type of chart that I've got here. That I can change all kinds of different things in this. That because it's linked back to the original spreadsheet. That if you don't want to have surprises, paste it as a picture. Now, what about other things that we might want to do? Sometimes we want to take a picture of our screen, put a screenshot in. And so to do that, you could go and there's usually somewhere on your keyboard a key that says print screen. That's PRTSC. I hope you can see that. So that I can, whoops, excuse me. Let me just make my screen bigger. Can you see that now? This guy down here? It says print screen. Bigger font. You see it now? Anyway, I've got a key that says that. It's on my shift key. It's got that. So if let me go back again here. go and press down my function key and my shift key, I take a picture. Nothing seems to happen here, but it's actually taken a picture of this screen. So if I go to my Word document and I go to paste here, I'm going to paste a picture of my whole screen. But maybe I just wanted the table in the chart there. And so I'm using up way too much real estate because I've got all this other stuff here. So I could have blown that up more earlier, but I could also go, and this is a picture, so I can go in and format, and I have picture tools. And one of them is over here called crop. And I can crop this as a picture. I can slice it that way, move it up this way. I could go down this way. So I'm clearing out all the stuff I don't want. And then I can make it bigger, and maybe that looks good. Okay, that's a good idea. There's just one problem with it. If I go back here, even after I've saved it and so on, and I go in and I look at crop again, you'll see I've still got my whole screen. And that may raise privacy issues. You don't want everything that's on your screen. You just want that picture. Okay? So what else can we do? Well, we can go and we get a clean screen here, and I'll go back, and I'm going to use a tool that came on my computer. I didn't realize it was there until Brandon told me. It's called Snip and Sketch. It's down here, and it just says press Windows logo key and the Shift key and the S to snip what's on your screen. And I can do it without starting this Snip and Sketch. So I'm going to go and press my Window key, my Shift key, and my S key. Turn everything dark. But I can here go and highlight what I want. Just this piece I'd like. Good. Okay. And now if I go back to my document and I go to paste it, it's pasted as a picture. But if I go and format it, I cropped it. Oh, see, there's nothing else there. So that's one way of doing it. There's another trick you could do. You did this one and you didn't want to go back. Here it is as a picture, all right, that's been cropped. But I can copy this and then, whoops, I can go, when I go to paste it, I can paste the original or I can just paste it as a picture. So again, I can make this just a picture. And there it is, it's just a picture. I can't, when I go to format the thing, there's nothing else there. It's just the picture. So that's the safer way. And this way I can blow it up and just have what I want from my screen in my document and not have other clutter. And doing, as I said, the whole screenshot is sort of too much because it uses real estate that I really can't afford to use in that sort of fashion. So that's the end of my story. So we'll stop sharing that. And